Namaste, my dear friends. Hope you all are all right. Welcome to yet another video from Spoken Hindi classes by Basin Academy of Learning. So, till now on this channel, we have covered some of the topics like pronouns, a verb called hona, as well as some regular verbs. So, are we all ready to form simple sentences? Yes, exactly, we are. So, in this video, we are going to form simple sentences, Hindi sentences, and start with identifying ourselves. Self introduction in Hindi. All right, so let's start. So we'll start with the name here, and as if my name is Rahul, I would say I am Rahul. So how would you say it in Hindi? मैं राहुल हूँ. Rahul now has to be replaced with your respective names. What you have to be careful here is we have used the pronoun मैं, that means I. Had you been introducing someone else, you would have used the different other forms of pronouns, which you can check out in my video about pronouns. And since we have used मैं, we are using the home form of hona. Now this is irrespective of the gender which we are talking about. Like मैं can be a lady as well as a gentleman, and that is why who is common to both. Okay, so now if the pronoun had changed into veh or ve, the who will also change its form. Again, you can check back in the video named hona, and I'll link it in the I button. Okay, so मैं राहुल हूँ, that means I am Rahul. Okay, if had your name been Smriti, you would have said मैं स्मृति हूँ. Okay, मैं Alex हूँ. So now you know how to introduce your name. With respect to gender, how do we introduce? मैं लड़का हूँ. I am a boy if I am a boy, and if I am a girl, you can say मैं लड़की हूँ. Now again, you can see that मैं and who are used here because we are not differentiating between a male and a female. Had you been a gentleman, a man, you would have said मैं पुरुष हूँ. And for a lady, we can say मैं महिला हूँ. Now you can also say मैं एक लड़का हूँ. That means I am a boy. I am a girl. मैं एक लड़की हूँ. मैं एक महिला हूँ and मैं एक पुरुष हूँ. एक is denoting the article a here. Okay, so that is up to you. Both are in a correct form. If you have to talk about nationality, this is how you can say this in Hindi. मैं भारतीय हूँ और मैं एक भारतीय हूँ. Okay, I am Indian or I am an Indian. So if you are from America, you would say मैं अमरीकी हूँ और मैं एक अमरीकी हूँ. If from Africa, you would say मैं अफ्रीकी हूँ. Okay, from Philippines, you would say मैं फिलिपिनो हूँ और मैं एक फिलिपिनो हूँ. If you are from Burma, you would say मैं एक बर्मी हूँ. So there are many variations to the place and how we call. So how to talk about your occupation? This is like I am a teacher here and I am a female. I would say मैं एक शिक्षिका हूँ. Had I been a male teacher, I would have said मैं एक शिक्षक हूँ. I can also say मैं शिक्षिका हूँ और मैं शिक्षक हूँ. Now you all are students, so you may say हम छात्र हैं और मैं एक छात्रा हूँ. If it is a female student, मैं एक छात्र हूँ for a male student. You can also replace it by विद्यार्थी, another synonym for छात्र. Okay. If you are a businesswoman or a businessman, you can say मैं व्यवसायी हूँ. Okay, मैं व्यवसायी हूँ. If you are a homemaker, you can say मैं गृहिणी हूँ. If you are a singer, you can say मैं एक गायिका हूँ. For a female singer, मैं गायक हूँ. For a male singer. If you are a doctor, you can say मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. If you are a software engineer, you can say मैं software engineer हूँ. Alright. So software engineer is going to be a very complicated Hindi term. In spoken Hindi, you are actually given the liberty to say that in English. So that's how it is to introduce occupation. Let's see the other slide. Talking of age, how do you put up in a Hindi sentence? I am 10 years old. This is what you have to say. So in Hindi you can say मैं 10 साल की हूँ. So here I'm just taking an example. मैं 10 साल की हूँ if I am a female. मैं 10 साल का हूँ if I am a male. So if you are 30 years old, you can say मैं 30 साल का हूँ और मैं 30 साल की हूँ. So now you can say we have introduced another word called ka here. Ka is just a possessive pronoun, and it just denotes that you belong to that category. So I am of 10 years or I am of 30 years. Instead of that we say I am 10 years old, for so that it makes a little bit of sense. So this is how you put it up. मैं 10 साल का हूँ. If I say मैं 10 साल हूँ, it literally means in English I am 10 years. That is not a sensible sentence. So मैं 10 साल की हूँ और मैं 30 साल की. Okay, this is how you introduce your age. Okay, now the place where you're presently staying at. How do you say that in Hindi? If somebody is staying in Kerala, like in India, the southernmost part is Kerala. So we can say मैं केरल में रहता हूँ. Okay, it's not Kerala here. This is a small mistake. मैं केरल में रहता हूँ. If you are in California, you can say मैं California में रहता हूँ. It is that particular place or region. It is that particular place where you're presently staying at or living in. So that's how you have to mention that. I hope you have understood. So let's introduce ourselves in a go. Okay, मैं राहुल हूँ, मैं 30 साल का हूँ, मैं भारतीय हूँ, मैं शिक्षक हूँ, मैं केरल में रहता हूँ. Okay, so in the future videos you can say this repetitive मैं can be changed and beautified with some conjunctions or different elements, which we will be learning later in the upcoming video. So stay tuned with BSN Academy of Learning, and if you want some other topics to be discussed, let us know in your feedback. Meanwhile, please let us know about how you're going to introduce yourself and drop it in the comment box. We'll be happy to help you, and we'll be happy to know that where our viewers are from. At the very same time, we'll be able to customize our videos according to your requirement. Okay, so happy learning and stay tuned with BSN Academy of Learning. Share if your friends need it and comment. Bye bye till then.